You ever hit a fountain machine and all you get is water, no syrup, no flavor? That's one of the most common issues we get from C-stores and restaurants. When your machine is only pumping water, it kills drink cells. Luckily, it's easy to troubleshoot and fix. Step 1, check your syrup supply. Make sure the bag in the box isn't empty. Step 2, listen to the pump. If it's not cycling, make sure your air and CO2 is on. And make sure the pump tubing is not kink or loose. If the pump is running and no syrup is moving, follow the line to the valve. Step 3, look for pinches, blockages, and air pockets, and purge the lines if needed. Still nothing? Take the nozzle off and clean it. Dry syrup could block flow. In some cases, swapping valves can confirm it's a valve issue. These quick checks solve most of only water issues in minutes. And if the issue runs deeper, Barranco is here to help. I'm Otis, and I'm a Beverage Bros.
I'm Mark, I'm a Beverage Bro. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button.
Right now.